always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why, always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends, stayed in bed till Wednesday, fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see
What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So quick video today about a wallet. It's not tech, it's a wallet. I like it simple. I like to have my phone and a small wallet. So I used to use this wallet here and it's so big. So I want something smaller. My wife has a present. She brought a wallet for me. So this video is not sponsored and I'll give you my honest opinion about this wallet. It's been popping in on my Instagram a lot of times. The name is Tauros Premium Wallet. And if you guys go over the Instagram, let's show you guys. They have over 73,000 followers on Instagram, and they look pretty good on Instagram. To be fair, they get loads of photos with the wallet, and pretty much about New York. So. Okay, fair enough. They're from Germany, so but I think that New York sells a lot. Let's talk about the unboxing. The unboxing is not nothing fancy, so it's a green box with towers on top, and opens them from the side, and voila, you got the wallet here. Got a card inside. Fell off. And this is the wallet. Mine is the carbon one. Got a clip for the money and elastic band that stretches, and you'll be putting your cards inside. Let's talk about the price. See on the side, it's a nice site, and you got the picture, so you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 types of wallets. You have the Palace, you have the carbon, that's the one I own, you have the Alpha, and you have the titanium. The Palace you can have in loads of colors, the Alpha as well. The carbon you can have it in 3 colors only, and the titanium you can have it in 3 colors as well only. So they cost about £60, 50 something quid. The thing is, and I don't know if I should say that, but this is my video, so if you go on the site and if you buy it, if you try to buy it, so imagine you add to the cart and you put an email, and they will send you an email 2 days after with a discount and 3 days after with another discount. So I believe my wife got this wallet for 20 something pounds instead of the 60 quid. So still been using the wallet for a month now, and yeah, pretty happy. It feels a bit plastic on top, and been using the wallet for a while, you can see some scratches coming up, so I'm not really happy with that. I would imagine that will be a bit more resistant to the scratches, but it isn't. So the wallet got, if you pull it, you got elastic band and you got a clip for the money. So let's put some cards. I got, show you, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards. That's all I use. Credit card, debit card, and I have my driver license and a loyalty card from Tesco's, I think. And that's it. As you guys can see, all of them will be here, and it's quite handy because if you pull from the bottom, the card will come up, and then you just choose the one you want to and put them back again. It's quite handy, and it's small. You can go with your phone, so I use it with my phone. That's it, nothing else. Just got these 2 small things. Well, the phone is not small though. So as you can see, comparing with the last tool, with the last one that I used to use, is quite big. So small, this is big. can put some money as well. So if you imagine I have 15 quid here, so you just fold it like that, and then it goes here. And as you guys can see, it's quite secure, it doesn't fall off, and yeah, it's quite nice. So let's talk about the wallet now. So the wallet, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides of the wallet got screws, so I'm assuming you can swap them if they get like broken or something like that. You can swap them. It's quite handy. Or I imagine if you want to swap the elastic band that goes inside, you just screw them. It'll be handy if they put a screwdriver inside. For example, some of the wallets that on the market now, they will come with a screwdriver. I like the clip. The clip doesn't fall off and it's secure, so yeah, I do like the clip. It's quite handy, it's quite nice. I like the nice Tauros logo on the clip. Am I happy with the wallet? Yes, I am. If I will give 60 quid for this wallet, probably not. But for 20 something, yeah, I think is a good buy. It works properly, you can use it and you can choose the cards without any problems and put them back again, and the elastic band is quite strong, so yeah. Right guys, this was a short video about this wallet. Like always, the links will be down below if you want to buy it, and that's it for today. If you guys enjoy it, please give us a thumbs up in this video. Share this video all around with your friends and come back for more. See you guys later.